Before we get into the areas I'm going to talk about, there are three really important considerations that we need to have in our minds so that people feel valued and safe at work. The first is that we're in a time where there's incredible workplace fluidity. Our teams are either all remote or all in the office or a combination. We have a combination of part-time, full-time. The way people are working is extremely different, and it's changing all the time. Our balance between work and home life is also changing and has changed, especially since the pandemic. Technology, there's a technology revolution. We have different methods of learning, and even our identity is changing. Young people often now don't want to be identified with gender identity and all sorts of other identities. So we have incredible workplace fluidity. We also have to consider intersectionality, which is the combination of factors that can occur that cause multiple discrimination and marginalisation. For example, if people are from a certain ethnic group and a certain religious background, perhaps have other characteristics that can cause multiple discrimination and marginalisation. So it's something that's very important if we're looking at safety in the workplace. And we know, because we're doing so much DEI work, but there is still many attitudes in society that are working against us. So it's important to consider. And finally, the third big one is that, we are in the midst of a global mental health crisis. And it's shocking to know that 1 in 4 people around the world, everywhere, on average, are experiencing mental health issues or have experienced mental health issues.